Yo, yo, stand the man. I'm trying to give you a hand. Try to comprehend. Yeah, it's being a rigid body. Then go tell somebody. It's 3 a.m. But first things first, let's do this free body diagram. Alright, let's look at A. Now, since A is supported by a rocker, this is constrained vertically, so it can only move horizontally. Therefore, the reacting force is going up. We call it RAY. Now let's look at B. It's constrained vertically and horizontally since it's a pin support. Therefore, the reacting forces are RBA going to the right and RBY going upwards. Let's take note of this force, 600 newtons, which is directed at 45 degrees. So by basic trigonometry, let's get the horizontal and vertical components. The horizontal being 600 sine 45. The vertical being 600 sine 45, and the horizontal being 600 cosine 45. We're also given where that load is applied and the center of the beam, and that's 0.2. Next, we're given 100 newtons going downwards and a moment of 200 newton meters, and also 200 newtons going down. Okay, so now let's take the moment in A. And we note that the anti-clockwise direction is positive. Let's equate that to 0. So the moment in A is 600 sine 45 times 2. Now it's going in the clockwise direction, therefore negative, minus 600 cosine 45. It's also going in the clockwise direction, so we use negative, times the distance, which is 0.2. Next we have the 100 newtons going down, therefore negative, times the distance, which is 5, plus 200 as it's going in the anti-clockwise direction. We have the moment 200 newton meters. Add that there. Minus 200 newtons going in the clockwise direction times 7, which is the distance. And last but not least, we have RBY going in the anti-clockwise direction, therefore positive, times the distance of 7. Let's equate that to 0. There's only one unknown, so that leaves us with RBY is equal to 376.2 newtons. The next step is to take the summation of forces in the vertical direction, and let's set that to positive, going upwards. Equate that to 0. So we have our AY minus 600 sine 45 minus 100 minus 200 plus RBY. Equate that to 0. Since we have RBY, we can solve for RAY. That gives us 348.1 newtons. So now let's go ahead and solve for the summation of forces for the horizontal direction. And let's take the right to be positive. Equate that to 0. We get 600 cosine 45 plus RBX equals 0. That leaves us with RBX is equal to negative 424.3 newtons. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.